Debia ya sorry a yete asem foforo etiefo ende asema eda yenim eson papa na sisia ananansen ya koye se Ghana for secret recording ya ti ase se wo bi recording wo bi woni anawo politicians bi ye meeting na wo bi aso recorder record secretly anawo bi ni obi phone call video recording just a secret recording ya ade bia sisia to atese wo Ghana pa enye easy etiefo we there the highest man on the land president Akufo-Addo wono kra ya say etiefo meeting bia wona nkrofo bi eye wo Flagstaff House Flagstaff House onwa just say Flagstaff House metumi aka say ye kan Ghana be dia security tight pa Flagstaff House. The say president cry ya akọ recording secretly wo ho enye easy na wo bia wade assembly ababonten sofo panyi Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams ono na ende wo kan assembly na Ghana ngrofo bebre eni assembly bo ono na ende wo kan assembly se sa de na eba Ghana no se ye hunhum o se den yo wo se ye ni na ye den ye jai. Now even the president of the land cry akwa recording no ehyaase every Albert Kandapa ye ni ayehu ye se ni aye recording na ye de ba bontia no mo peso wo mugu nanimu ase Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng wono so galamse nsensem we all saw that secret recording na e ba bonten Archbishop Duncan Williams so the account say even the president of the land cry onu ankasa ne office na brofa o yusu ye and say someone had the temerity to go and record the president in his own of Ghana and so some people are also calling say it was a emra ejuma but the meaning about emra say article 18.2 of the 1992 constitution it has provisions which caters for breach of privacy rights. No, it caters for these things. Our secret recording, our secret audios, no. Now, secret recordings, it's not the first time. Ghana mostly, sex tapes and in Crawford recorded. Ebi mu womo recorded sex tapes no secretly. Ebi mu also womo recorded sex tape no with the knowledge of omo partners no, but later it gets to leak. But nan say ya koye say ye de ba politics mu crunch meetings, serious meetings nan crofo recorded and the entia NDC ni ofoso ampofo wogina court the den based on sa secret recording in same way ya na me pese me read in some Archbishop Duncan Williams or the two ja whilst now one in crofo kasa wa sorry and there was say and hear me. Those of you who record people without letting them know, it is evil. Was it a idea be a bonsansem? Say we record you obi and the bakunu won nim ho hwe a bonsansem papa. Na wo enipa bi mu say ne just say nipa bonesem e wo mutrim ni ntine de oba ne say wa be sheda be yesa wo record o. No wa sheda agije wa den sem bi aba. Ama waka nsem no yemfa ne say bia nanfo mienu e na we obi dia ye obi ma mehu nanfo mienu ba ko aware se ba ko no so wo pe ba ko ne ni you know say den yo ye nim wa hye da akogege no nim say woni ni atre say aha wo mo form yiri echi wo fa ba ko nim say na danfo no de o fa ne yiri echi wo nim na danfo brebo o said I recorded your edgy no say hey Charlie girl bia me ye we girl bia me kwachi no me ye we because on him say won so ka the wire na danfo no so be kan e hwa na danfo no sha say o kan Charlie me so endra pan girl bi pan say won so kan etiefo say abrante no I recorded ama we twa won no side na wo kan nia efri ho e na wa hye da akobọ audio no de na danfo no admit atre na yere. It's the Archbishop Duncan Williams can and say sad no evil. Or say, and I think the government of Ghana must come up with a law that if you record anybody without them knowing, you must be punished, because it has become a conspiracy where people just record people without them knowing that they are being recorded. And only as someone will come, sorry, and there, it is dangerous to speak on phone now. Very dangerous. Yes, you set people up. Very, very dangerous. And at this particular thing in the crown, I'll not even take myself out. Me phone me cra and it has an inbuilt recorder. Now say I realize it. Say course my year since the time I me told phone no. Course my year ni na audio bia and I was side bi wo ha okwa obe say I record the bibia and I say hey, wait, you serious? I have two phones. Bako eye Huawei and bako eye LG. LG dey na sa de no like a phone so. And Huawei dey na dey. And also me kwahwe na me hu say no, Huawei dey no ono dey, they are against that kra. Wo policy against that. Until Huawei say wo kwahwe recorder bi phone call recorder kra to Huawei phone so a empene. Etiefo eno ni asema Archbishop Duncan Williams so they are tuja. It was one no in person. Wo ba the officer. You better search you craft phone. And this any can say wo craft phone. Now that's the same thing that President Akufo-Addo also why he won the office for. Now, the recording Potiawo Cancer President Yakwako recording no. It is not yet in the public domain, and so we don't know what they were saying. We don't know what they were saying, but as Duncan Williams, Archbishop Duncan Williams, that Babonte no, Yesusu say, enche ebe leaky. Na say propaganda na ebi mu so ya yebe hu. Inti yesi ende, uko Flagstaff House a, rule number 1 na edaho, rule number 1 na edaho ne say, wo ba, main kita phone, main crash, yebe GBBA fi unsem. Hey! No real no the child say, this society has become a very vindictive society. Now, as I say, Ghana no, I hear Timothy Sam. Will be person will bow be Timothy many pakunu say yes, my bow with Timothy. So since you see Ghana no, very very vindictive society. You record everybody, and they won't tell you they are recording you. They will set you up. That is very very bad. People are even recording their fathers and their mothers, their wives and their husbands. What is wrong with you? And the crack Obi a minim na nsenya oko having meeting assembly by oko having meeting with ne papa because na ntokwa bi esi between ono and ne papa. Etiefo ni pako ni minim no na minim se wo tie me wo hwa ne se waba abebo recording na treme se wone ne papa hwensema ne papa can ene se na me se eh man kan je ne woni ni mumba na me ka wo mitrim se eh ya asemu abranche se ne papa kra wone ne can se bi se no to me record ne papa me am ye na dan for ene de no de be me nti ehwa ena me sia me nyansa e wo ho se onipa we I'll not talk about sensitive things in front of him. Who knows if they are not recording me. Na ne papa kra wa ko recording no. Who are you? Who are you? Na yentie baby a Archbishop Duncan Williams o kan say wo ko visit Akufo-Addo no say I went to the office of the president the other day and they stopped cell phones from everywhere. Why? Somebody had the audacity to enter into the office of the president to record the president. It wasn't one no what call president what any AG phones ni will be say aden. And I say will be enya kukudro eko president in the office eko record the president no. I say what is wrong with us? What has become of us now? To that extent you are not afraid? Hey! Wait there. I say husbands are recording their wives when they are making love. Just say will be any the yere edampem krana will recording no. And wives are recording their husbands when they are making love. You record the insults, but you don't record the other things. The other things she was saying and doing. And then someone, so for Penny, Archbishop Duncan Williams, or they Atuja. Just a president crowd will be Enyaku. Hey, say the Pacrona Kukudron, Akukudo female Sunni. It is serious. Hey, it's here for. Try my comment box anymore. But I say.